good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about Isblank DAX function. See this here. This is a Isblank syntax. Isblank and apply any values. Okay. Let's check this function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data. See this here. In this place have blank value. So let's start this DAX function. Go to click new column and type here is blank and apply sales. Okay, see this here is blank is a my function name. Next one is sales is a my table name. Next one is a column is a sales. So now I'm applying column. So let's check this function. See this here, in this place have blank value, so it's written to show true. In this place don't have blank value, so it's in this place showing false. Okay, this is Isblank DAX function in Power BI desktop.